Okay, welcome to another shop talk. This is a real quick, in-depth close-up on the cutter I use for making the beads on the new medieval style door for the workshop. Full video coming up later this afternoon, but here's a quick in-depth, show you the bead cutter in action. Okay, so if you buy the grooving set for your HK85, which is this groover here, adjustable groover, it's really handy as well. An amazing bit of kit has been made by Whitehill. So let me just take this off and show you. So you use all of the parts of the groove kit. You do need the groove kit with this. Down. And they're using all of the spacers. They're all on here. Spacers, I'll show you those in a sec. This here is the Whitehill tool. So you put all your spacers on, because you need to fully space it always with the groove kit. And then the Whitehill tool, which is this amazing little bead cutter. You just saw it's great. I'm using it on a few projects. That's for my kind of medieval faux door. This little bead cutter, replaceable inserts. They do a V groove as well. And then that basically goes on instead of your HK85 groover, and it is a brilliant bit of kit. As always, they're very helpful at Whitehill. I use tons of their spindle moulder stuff, their cutters and groovers on the spindle moulder as well. So get online and have a look. It's really clever stuff.